Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lazo Txaplin kanalera, ongi etorri zuzeneko honetera, ongi etorri Road to Level 35 honetara, hemen diru gehiago gure poltsikorako. Eta bueno, buru izango da 35 nivelera eltzera, beraz Horen jarraituko dugu Marcus Krubexekin, behintzat berarekin 30 nivelera heltzeko eta azkenengo talentua izan ahal izateko. Gainera asko segunez falta, bueno, eta hortik aurrera jarraituko dugu edo Marcusekin edo Victorekin ikusiko da. Baina agian zuzeneko hori gehiago agian ez dugu egingo, azterketa garaia laizter heltzen zaidalako. Baina hori jakiteko astelenean egin behar du zenbait galdera eta esaten datenaren arabera azterketak modu batean edo bestean estatuko ditu. Baina, bueno, beraz horren dik aprobetsatu beharko du igandetxo hau, zuzeneko egiten nabeli igandetxo hau eta eta agian, aztenean esaten didanen arabera jakingo duzu ea zuzeneko gehiago ingo ditudan edo ez. Ja aukera egon daitezke alde batetik zuzenekorik ez egitea eta agian denbora izatea bideoren bat grabatzeko. Hau da, Vermintide partidatxo bat edo Total War Warhammer aventura bataila hori jokatu eta igo ordu bat baino gutxiago eramaten didan gauza horietako bat grabatzea eta punto pelota. Bueno, oraingoz
Listen, the town of Usingen's a smouldering ruin, and from what we gather, the Rockbloods are using the Baron's Manor as a storehouse for all the grain and loot they've pillaged. Your job is to blow the manor sky high, and do it soon, because there's an army of those sick buggers on their way to collect their spoils. You'll need black powder, and you'll find it in a mining emporium close to the manor.
Gaina aprobetatu behar da esperientzia hirukoitzarena 35. nivel horretara heltzeko pertsonei guztiekin. Batzuekin uste dut nahi zer eta bi faltatzen zaizkidala, baina ez nago ziur, Begiratu beharko nuk. 30 heltzeko bakarrik Marcus Kruger falta zait. Eta besteekin behintzat heldu naiz. Kerien eta 135 nivelean nago, Victor 30 eta ipotxarekin
Destroying Northlander supplies and Baron Franker's manor in one strike. Ha! Best plan in ages.
Siena batzutan beldurra ematen didaz.
Usingen's a chaos stronghold now. They'll have the supplies well guarded.
Kill all you can.
Ere egia da,
Win or
kameraz
lose.
kanpo
They won't forget
bat
this
partidatxo ere
day.
jokatu ditu gara. Pero bueno, Nicolés saiatu gara ahalik eta bakienen egiten. Pero bueno, gaina joko hau ez den asko pentsatu behar dugu horietakoak ez da historioa. Ez doa kapituloka horren izango nuen. Pero agian ez da Tomb Raider modukoa edo jokatan duzula zure gustura, baina dena dauka historio bat eta hemen ez dauka historio oso bat esateko, baizik eta dira mairu mapa ezberdin eta aleatorioak direnez, baina ez dakitzu ze gertatu alden. Badaude bideo-jokoak txandaka.
Not me. Tussle on the Avalanche-Stirland border. Militant
Hau da,
long.
atal bat gertatzen da hemendik ona, beste bat hemendik ona.
What about you?
Eta gero jarraitu alduzu, kontra izen gorde alduzu toki batean. Agian hemen daukatzen zu kanpaleku bat, esenplu bat jartzeko. Eta gero jarraitzen duzu lekoa, akabatu duzun, gorra duzu puntu horretatik aurrera. Hemen dena guzti saleatu. Hemen irazi edo galdu partida. Azkarrak edo.
Listen,
Right. We've a leech by the sound of it.
Markatu gerrilia.
Don't get carried away. Plenty more to do.
I'm not normally one to balk at acid, darlings, but I'll make an exception
Beraz,
here.
arratzalde base egiteko, zuzeneko egiteko balio duen horreko bat.
Chaos Warrior, just what we
Etxaiak
needed.
akabatu, mapa markatzen saiatu eta
The Rothelm breathes his last.
Vale, esperientzia gehiago, gainditzen eta zenbat eta urruna gaildu, esperientzia gehiago
Here's a bomb.
galtzen badu. Ni nahi duan eraztea, mala duan.
Lumberjacks, you don't see this is the path.
Hortik joatea ez da derrigorrezkoa eta da... Vale, falta zetxeko. Eta hori gutxi bez gainera intzaile bat daukagu hor.
Stand together. Send the buggers back into the field. Reeling, put the booting.
A wolf fire thrower. We need to kill it. Running. Inside. On. There is no excuse.
Vale, azkenean hilda. Vale, guaz.
Pop these stems.
Tom Raider jarraituko du, baina guztuko litzaidake zuzenean egitea. Beraz, noiz izango dugun Tom Raider.
Learn something from me after all.
Thunder savage.
You hear what I hear, mates? Leech.
I'm losing blood.
Toro malari gatua.
I hear the pale queen. You're hanging on, Cerulean.
Just do me.
Everything hurts.
Hanging by a thread here.
Heal yourself, Marcus, now.
I know that sound. It's a rattling gun.
Bera Juan Barba hemen.
He's a draft.
Down the hatch.
Rotting rock blood! I just know it.
Oh, no vayan bien.
I don't die that easily.
Usingen's Winery. Uber's happy place, perhaps, darling. By the ace!
¿Dónde quedó el actor?
The Packmaster's done for!
Poor little hook rat! What a shame!
Es Badenchut en el juego serio o es... Vale, que ir la
Bloody hell, Sierra, scorching my undeserving arse! Well, they're on the attack now! Rothelm incoming! Bombardier! Here it
No hay ninguna.
Shield me from sight.
attacking all loot and slaughter!
Chaos warriors down!
Luminaire! Bring it down!
Here we go!
Out
There!
of the way!
You talent wizard! My sisters can teach you a thing or two. Assuming.
You make a trip to the forest realm sound so appealing.
Vale, con tus...
Don't be any worse than here.
A ver, bichoak direla. Gaina
No,
defentsa
I
regarra
suppose that's
daukate.
my blood.
Let someone help you, wizard.
Our father's axe! The Chaos Warrior!
My quiver holds no answers. Don't waste time here, Mayflies. Find a way around.
Oh, Sharon, there's more to burn.
The buildings of the Baron's Crows are intact. Why am I not surprised?
Right, leave them!
Vale. Vale.
Leech! I
Esta
get
no
it.
es verdad.
Yeah! Attack her!
This is the door.
Oh, with an assassin close by!
Ya, voy a echarle, ¿no?
Revolting, but it could be worse.
Bile cheese! He's hot! Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using? Close up! Don't want to get separated! Oh,
Zuen nondik sartu zaren.
Pressing in.
Zaituzte dara ikusi.
I won't die like this.
We'll get them all out, war! Right here, right now!
Come back, Stabber. Face me, we need to bleed.
Vale, baina hiltzai bat agortik.
Get this thing off me! Reckon I'm done for. Right on! Smack 'em in!
My lucky day! Northlander spoils and an ill-gained edifice to destroy.
Wizard, why is my skin scorched?
Sienna, don't burn old Kruger, come on!
Au.
There's a
Can
sewer
you not
storming
sense
nearby.
it? Like dung-coated fingers dragging through the breeze. Find some of that nasty black fire. We'll fill the cart and bring the building down.
This is where we stand, and they fall.
All right! Fine!
Can't lie, I'm not feeling great.
Marcus, I'm not impressed by scars.
Elf, you look better. A lot better.
A ver.
Yeah, that bloody earth. Those wounds don't look good, Suki. Don't let me die. Face them together. Stay close.
Aid for the ales. Jellius Gims here!
I'll skin the water.
Cuidado.
Listen, Blightstormer. There's so many of them.
Caca.
Can I look, darling?
This won't be your end, Sienna.
Let me tend these wounds.
Come on, Gorrickson. Shame to stop now.
Hilda. Bueno, Hilda ez, baina gutxi bada. Eurak etorri barden nire bila salbatzen.
I see a Shiller's Doomy over there.
Hauza da, ez dudal ikusten dago. Kausa guztia.
Frisky,
Vale.
eh?
Vale, nago.
Ring Benazzi. I'm a bit banged up.
Barney, it's time to heal. Time to lose the fluid.
don't look healthy, Sienna. Watch the flanks, we've a blight stormer close by. Blood everywhere, and another one. Not yet. Not yet. You get it, Barney, you're tough. Now heal. Only hurts when I laugh, and when I breathe. Oh, I get up.
Cagar. Kaka. Falta zen hemendik ies egitea.
Ah, potion! Keep moving! We've woken the whole town!
This is the door. Where the bloody even right from? Oh, four! It doesn't matter. Don't let me die with my boots on.
Hala, guerrero. Gerritan egiten. Naiz dagoenek. Bueno.
Cut him down!
Pasar handik.
Raju, wait, yes.
Guazen.
No!
Spear fire! No other feels. I walk in endless silence.
Hehe.
Stay close to me. I see the path. Let's make this a contest. Kill them all.
Atzera begiratu gabe, atzera begiratzen baduzu, harrapatzen zaituztelako. Hori... Lehenbaitu eskubide. Lege honi bentza. Vale. Vale. Txarto. Kutsatxo bat eta printzipioz 30. nivelera. Bai. Azken talentu puntua.
Bit of rain today.
Bueno, berdin zen. Egan jarraituko dugu Markusekin. Bitartean. Ez dago. Ja, esaitzatela lau inguretatik bilakatu, bueno.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh?
Itxango dugu beste bi pertsonei. Botekin jokatzeko zailtasun mail honetan ez da ongi ateratzen.
I swear that thing gets... Tolerance? What does this have to do with tolerance?
Kase polito hartatzen den hori.
Take your time. Not like the Reichland's burning.
Vale, Bardin eta Siena. Bat asmatu dut.
Don't hear you
Ba,
speak
guazen
much of
denu.
home, Witzelgi, or kin.
Guazen borrokara.
Yeah. Die.
Bueno, este beak etortzen direnean. Hora desagertu da. Vale, badator. Edo printzipioz badator.
What's the matter, Elf? Don't tell me you're miraculously in a good mood and don't want to go out and have the world spoil it for ya.
Ja nola guazen orain. Bueno, egia esateko orden zait.
We've trouble in Elmgard. Our old acquaintance, Burble Spew Hailscourge, has started to summon a plague mist large enough to cloak the whole town. Good for the Northlanders, bad for the rest of us. There's a guildsman's lift that'll get you close to where he's playing silly buggers. Change the weather foreshowing by ending that thieving lard gut by any means necessary.
Boga, boga, marinela. Juan behar garela urrutira. Bueno, entzat nagusi bat daukagu heltzen baldin bagara.
Not much trouble so far, Dory. Better
Mapa
change
honek.
quick, or this doorway starts looking for ale.
No need to delay. It will find us, or it will not.
Righto, mates. We've a sodding sorcerer to offer. Good deed of the day and a bit of fun, all in one.
Shield burning! Watch out! Sigma
guazen.
stands with us. The Chaos Warrior shall fall. That's all you bigger, Glory. With this shot, I am journey. Joey, I'll have to do more than that.
Hook rat prowling, don't get caught.
Charismatic and gloom in the air.
Blade caster!
Vile things! Look out!
Aurelia! There!
Get out of its sight!
Look at them run! Watch them die!
That troll drills more than
Ez hori ez.
It's going to heave! Yeah! Stand up! Shape up or shut up! Stop shooting me, Corellian!
Bring it, Ice! Kill that fire rat! I don't want to burn. Think that'll stop?
Oh, blessed shot! 5 feet! The wildfire thrower is dead.
Vale.
Leech is down!
Now what have I done?
Ah, praise the comet! Ammunition! Bombs here! Let's hope the black powder inside is dry.
Open the good eye, one
metan.
eye.
This weave you speak of with such reverence, do you worship it as divine?
Oh,
Of course not.
I am relieved.
Supernus!
Bombs inbound!
Calm yourself down, one eye. Doing something.
It's an ammunition stash! Treachery! The elf targets me! He'll have you by the neck!
nada de que se bala.
Strangles no more! Healing trap! Over here!
A runner draws near.
The assassin meets the deserved death.
Hold on, Mayflies.
Blood
I'm going to
with
flick.
one eye!
Sigmar guides my strike, Master Dwarf.
Wish he'd guide mine, or better yet, send me a nice cool flagon of ale.
There is no escape.
Dice la última bala.
Where's that Silastumi? That Silastumi!
Death, let your foul wings speed your soul to damnation.
Good work, Wardy! No more wings!
Done right.
We're gonna all out war! Right here, right now!
Plague zealots.
Yeah, that ratling's dead!
Shield vermin hiding among them.
Obviamente que tengo que ser. Vamos en la burrera. Vale, voy a esa burrera. Me espencha con todo el
Ash,
agua.
poison, and a wisp of vermin.
Another bloody
We've got
rat, and this
fire
time with a
to blow away.
flamethrower!
There's warp powder on the wind. A gunner is close.
Well done. Don't want to get separated.
Look! Hillside!
Every dead foe strengthened by
Con la Claria no.
Stealing drafts here.
Either pull me up!
Strike them down!
Ah, vale, nieve ahora.
Aw, feeling sleepy? Downed by a little scratch like that, Kruber?
Incoming! Hold your ground! The Chaos Warrior comes! Another Chaos Warrior has been purged!
A gnome crate. Marking's still fresh.
Hala. Korrik aurrera. Nago heldu ez pentsa gehiago. Hori ere niretzat positiboa den esan beharko dut.
Yeah, very bloody funny. Come back here.
Badut esate hori.
You think pain will stop me? Sigmar preserve us as we tread these tainted streets.
Pues ya dago denak akastuta.
Healing draft if needed.
Bai.
That's a plague monk pack.
No, not the Pale Queen.
Up you come, elf. Health to all and confusion to our foe.
Go, I'm right behind you.
Here, assassin, I'm ready for you. Strangles no more. Kill that fire. Another Ratman contraption falls silent.
Good side,
Oh,
George!
that's
Now
him.
let's have another!
For Loren!
Now we're jailed in. Hang on, Johnny! I'll give this potion a go.
Hortik bero joan behar gara.
You're more bloodless than usual,
Zergaitik.
One-Eye.
Zergatik jendea, joan behar da.
I killed the hook rat.
Patrulla dagoen tokira. Que beti,
I have failed you.
we're getting close, Dory. Close enough for steel to bite our quarry. Hurry up!
Vale, hor da... Nagusiaren kontrako azkenengo bataia. Mentzat mapa honetan. Eta bueno, esatuko gara. Akabatzen normala de moduan.
Esteemed guests, greetings. I thank thee for joining my hallowed ritual. Your souls will be much welcome addition.
Gainera hauek hiltzea zailagoa da. Gerlain normal bat zerrazagoa da.
If you can't shoot straight, One Eye, don't bother.
Twice around.
Double the discipline!
Vale, guazen.
You terminated our contract, sir! What with you shooting me, I mean?
Ah, you're getting the knack of this, Dory. Showing your true colours, elf.
Vale.
You do know that you're shooting me, One Eye.
Vale. Al Scourge lehen aktua. Zen bat gehiago. Bueno, ez dago txartu. Bueno.
Good evening. All is well. Well, not really.
Nahi hau dut modu aleatorioa. Ez que gate falta zaitu katzeko. Etxango dugu jokelari gehiago. Vale, beste pertsona bat, falta da laugarren bat. Der Hanschaft.
Tell me, Kruber, have you considered striving for the Order?
You going to hang around all day?
Buruzail gaiztoa.
Don't worry if it gets a bit blowy. This old place ain't going anywhere. I think.
Oso, no. Usteak erdia ustel.
That's right, take your time. That's what our enemies are doing.
These dreams, this black future of which you speak,
Aye? What of it?
are they real or another of your amusements?
Would I lie about something like that?
That is the very question I wish answered.
I don't know. Sometimes dreams are dreams. Sometimes they are not. Why does it matter?
Because I have seen something all too similar. I was trapped in a battle between two evils, and I glimpsed something.
A ver. Siena. Step bro. Bueno.
Take your time. Not like the Reichland's burning.
Badator, ria nora gara zen.
It caught our attention that the Rotbloods are digging for something.
Da.
Turns out they're after the lost
gusta
monolith of
jugatzen dagoeneko.
Ulvagak. Cursed thing is said to contain the putrid soul of a long-dead Chaos Lord, and I dread to think on the immense power lurking within. Unfortunately, we'd need a score of wizards to even make a dent in the bloody thing, but Alicia has found a way to deal with it. For now, at least.
Vale, conforme. Oazen aurrera baso handi honetatik barrena. Eta bete zen duen moduan, mapa hauetan zenbat eta urrutuago.
Aye, a good strike. But can you repeat it?
Urrunago el despedentza gehiago.
Down it is.
Ragnil gorria.
Let none follow who cannot match my zeal!
It's preparing for
Bueno,
fire.
ni hasiera baten izan dituen arazoak hori ezin nuela pantalla osoarekin jokatu. Bueno, grabatu bai.
The gunner stand. That's right, incoming. What? A warp fire thrower.
Gauza zen grabatu eta zuzenan jokatu alizateko
Gasrats, Costin's last.
egin behar dudan izan da grafikoa
So that's it.
moduri zerrezen jarri.
Yes, right, yes. Gullickson, you should heal. That slicker there's no match for us.
Gero lagun bati esker robotekin liman lortu nuen beste gauza bat egitea. Konpondu duzu.
There, runner in the shadows. This way. Piss on that rattling anyway. Oh, he was one brave bastard.
That's another.
Yeah, you stay down, sneaker. Down the hatch.
Vale, guaz. Biek uste dut konponduta edo apurtuta derrelako zenez. Guazen...
Rat ogre, stand together.
All right, come on, kill for old Trooper. It hurts. May I remind you, you are not invincible, what? I fight on. For the last.
Should send your wind, One Eye.
Into battle once more. Oh, bloody hell. Give a man a moment, will ya?
Caca. Mierda. Txakurraren puta. Bueno.
The shadow magic protecting us works better at night, apparently.
Vale. Beste mapa bat,
I
no
need a
sé.
distraction,
Vale.
and you're just the fellows to make it for me. Ring out them bells, as me mother used to say. The bells in question
Bada
are in
espada
Eldar's Temple of
zailtasun
Sigmar.
maila
Give 'em a
honetan,
good
ba.
clatter, and you'll draw
Ez etxeia
every
gutxi
iron
etzi.
blade for miles around. Why, you ask? Our friendly
Eta hori izan
neighbor
dela
magic spy,
sagu ogro
Alicia,
bat.
needs to gather vital
Eta
intelligence on the
ez
skip.
gauzaren engendro
You could
horietako
help
bat.
her
Horiek
out.
niri, osea, buruko minera egiten didaten monstro horietako da.
We'll make for a fine distraction. Hey, don't we always?
I understand we're approaching the city wall. What can go wrong with that? This way!
Fine shot!
A ver,
Here's a healing draft.
So easily worn out, so near to
All
our
right.
goal, you should be ashamed.
Strike them down!
Look! The elf tried to throw something! She's butchering more than usual! Hear that? Sounds like an assassin!
venga ya.
The assassin meets a deserved death.
Strangler! I killed the hook rat!
What fire? And this day was already bad enough.
Oi, this street, now! Don't get cocky, we ain't done.
Tío batero.
The furnace!
Una rayos activada.
These tongues you're shooting me, Gruber!
No se activarán. El sello me da igual.
Think that'll stop me! You cannot hide!
Give me what's like a kick it! Stay together. We all know what's waiting inside. Hey, I found the stairs.
Taste my eyes!
Hold up. I'm feeling a touch out of sorts.
Healing draft over here.
Potion, lend me vigor.
I'd rather some knock relief, but this'll do.
Praise the comet, ammunition. An apothecary wares, ours for the taking.
Oh no.
Just like in Skazrazarina with Kozrokri and the triplets.
Light leech lurking at these guys. Ah, we'll slay them all.
Sorry, Warmadier. He'll have you by the neck. No! Well, boy, so that's how it is.
Ha! A dead cat.
Beware, gutter runner.
Saw.
Vale, no se activará.
Stop and lick, you Gorrickson. Leech incoming.
Mayflies and lifting platforms. What's wrong?
I think that's a clover deer. It'll appear to find me head to vote. There you go. Kentucky Doom, you got it! Right your way, yes?
Who brewed this muck?
¿Está mojado?
That wind blew straight from the false moon.
Transport your biggest, Rory! Rory! May I remind you, you are not invincible, Bob? We've a leech by the sound of it. Kentucky Doom and armored! I've told you before, leech squad! We call a fire rat! The high and mighty elf!
Right through! No more fires! I won't die like this!
Don't let me die with my boots on!
You need aid, Kruber.
That's a nasty wound, sir!
Up these steps!
Ah, so it's Kazaki Doom now, is it? Ah!
Rango el vulgar.
Over this way, Trinquerazi.
Hau da, alba da. Arroxe guztia, zuntzitze.
Jesus, wrong for me!
Venga,
Watch out! Roll, running!
ya. Hau. Salte indut eta pikutera joan. Bueno, horrelakoak ere gertatzen dira.
Such a vile thing! It's going to heave!
Fight! Fight! Kill! Death!
Does a dwarf abandon his cause at a mere scratch?
Where'd you all run off to? Here! Blightstormer!
Ja, bueno.
Costume! Anderson!
Naja, hauek envueltan a la guasa.
Catch that! About to show! Yeah! Another light! Before he calls blade winds!
Eskerrak tiro egin dio da, bestela pentsatuko nuke harrapatu egin abuela.
The winds die with their master.
Hori egia da.
This doorway, move!
Ongo litzateke sienarekin egoteko aukera izatea bakoitza.
A vile brew, make no mistake.
Esan nahi dut, basuaren aste izan beharran beste magia batzu egin ahal izatea, ez dakit bizitzaren edo eta...
Yeah, that bloody hurts.
You shall not die, Crowbar!
I can't deny that you know how to kill elf.
Oh, this is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Bridge. Dozens, I played.
Hoggers? Wait. 2 known legends vanished without trace of Hogger's Bridge. Help! Help! Come back!
Bleach!
Bleach him down! That son
Ez,
Rest well, Crowbar. You did your duty.
pikutera joan naiz berehala.
You're the not
Bueno, taldekide honetan konfiantza guztia.
Healing draft. You'll need it.
Gainera zen, potola akabatu eta gero pozoiarekin bizitza reskuratu. Baina, jokaldia ez da bat ere.
That potion shall serve.
A gutter gunner is near us.
Supplies for our ranged weapons. Gas rats, where? Over here! He's scared, boy.
Ah, vale. Kainoia baino lehenago edo kainoaren ostean dagoen harresian dago.
Can you not contain yourself, One Eye? Stop shooting me!
Egan zuekin ligatzi zehatzen da.
I spy another potion.
Portion here. I can't vouch for the taste. Set the fuel. That's well back. Keep going. Here. Come on, over here. Recognize the temple.
The Warpfire crew is gone. There is no escape. Fire out close.
Vile paint. Look out.
The Ratling is dead.
I can't deny that you know how to kill elf.
This is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Bridge. Dozens, I played.
Hoggers? Wait. 2 known regiments vanished without trace of Hogger's Bridge. Help! Help! I need a hand. Now.
Coming, sir. Keep the fight. Poison rat. Find it. Kill him. Face and Pick up your feet! Move!
You cannot hide! Healing draft here. Come on, up here!
Vale, va a ser una burrera.
Not yet.
You seem sluggish, Elf. Can you still fight? Ruined it! Aha! You want another, Crookie?
Vale. Horrengo helburura. Araño heltzea.
One last effort, then we're inside.
Gure azken helburura.
Strike them down! Over there, Lumberfoots. Chaos Warrior. Kill the hook rat. Make it suffer.
We got the Strangler. Like that, Northlander. I'm ready for them, Dringbarati. These stairs go up. Hookrat's dead. Stay quiet. There's a reptile nearby. Medical supplies at last.
Hell.
I can't take much more. That's what pulse. Up, Grimgate, up.
Furnace. Gun ready. The gas. Watch out.
Chaos Warrior down. Stand together. Send our brothers back into the fight. Ammunition here.
Ooh, we're at the temple. What now? I need help, curse you.
A ver.
Hold your ground, Tory. This'll be a proper fight.
Vale.
Let the slaughter begin! Strike the bell!
Hori segura
Hold
cagada
on!
bat da, baina
Someone's
bueno.
hurting.
Bueno, hemen ez dut inoiz defentsa egin. Vale, muy fuerte.
Sigma stands with us.
Seek.
Termópiletan modu.
Gas that. Get up off the ground, One Eye. Here, but you only know.
Robert!
Ja, gelditu hemen.
Into the gas.
Ideia superona, bai.
Gas! Ice! Me! Those wounds don't look good, Fungi.
Gelditu hor, bai, ideia oso ona. Agur.
I've lost the elf! potion. Good try, Dory. Now let's have a more. Over here, Dory.
I'll give you pain. Gasrat's dead. I died. Return me to the soil.
Elf, you'd look better. A lot better. Gascoigne coming in! Plague Racky coming to say hello! Raceman, Lily! All you got!
Caca. A ver. No le da agua. Es de una picuta, nada. Azkenengo zatian. Justo gainera zen apur bat gehiago iraun eta salto egin. Ezin dut sinestu.
Good evening.
A ver. Juratuko du garkua. Bale, ia da hori bakarrik erabiltzen batuko estea. Historia, erabiko dugu historia. Guardian 35, 30. Vale. La ropa que lleva el tocado. Merenda. Etxango dugu jendea.
You know, Carillion, I'm still no clearer as to why you're traipsing around with us. Don't you want to go home?
More than you knew.
So why stay? It doesn't add up.
If I answer you, will you cease your glaciate yammering?
Aye, we have a deal.
Very well. I made a mistake. And until I've made amends, I cannot go back. Alright?
Oh, not really, but you have my thanks.
Bueno, bestea bot bat, baina, bueno, ordense hori.
Helmgart's lost, folks. But we still have our
Vale,
little ways
menez dago
of
monstro
keeping eyes and
finalik.
ears down
Besteren
there. And
antzekoa.
something's going on at the Shellian Hospice.
Beraz,
Whole
helburuka
thing
joatea
reeks of
izango
chaos
litzateke
magic.
kasu honetan honena.
Go and deal with it, would you? Things are bad enough already.
Vale, konforme, guazen aurrera.
Lona was correct once more, damn his eyes.
I've said it before. The goddess of healing should also be a goddess of battle. Come on, Dory. Holy purpose guides you. Something left a messy trail, Dory. When the backstab, we go. Box of ammunition over here. Come now, assassin. Face a doorway.
Agur.
Quite a library they have here.
Healing lore, gathered from across centuries, no doubt.
Feel vermin among them. Kill them, Druki, before it flies. Go where you blow, Druba. Go for the head.
I'll block them.
A ver, pentsan jarri baldin bana zergaitzi.
Which eye do you want this? Make time for all. Not enough. Neither is more. Go on, again. I can take it.
Hace muy hot jaunaren, tío.
Not as sneaky as you believe, runner.
Stairs going down right here. Help to all and confusion to our foes.
Peerless shot.
Ah, sewers again. I get to see all the finest domains. Lumberfoots, can you not see this is the path?
Bueno, aniretzat.
Look at it all. Still plenty of good doorway Durazzi around here. So easily worn out, so near to our goal, you should
Seek.
Treachery! The elf targets me! Healing draft, over here! Potion here! Blackfire! Rakiguna!
I smell charred fur. A fire rat is near.
Shield Raki incoming! I hear a Globadin! Grimnir's beard and Raki's hand down!
Strike them down!
These Northlanders worship Nurgle, foulest of the Dark Lords.
You should never grade evils, Kroma. For if one is the worst, then you might be tempted to kinship with the least. Rat Ogre! Sigma!
Call your target. Over here! No, no, try again. Armor drop. Revealing the judgment of Sigma. Group up. We've a rat ogre here. One dead rat ogre. Any chance you could teach me to shoot like that?
We've spoken about this before. You'd wither before you even learn to rip a bow.
Each kill earns a portion. I feel the dark gods reach out for me. You bastard!
Attack the rattling from the
Buggers won't see me. Try not to trip on these stairs.
I can't take another like that.
Gas rat!
Do that again, dwarf, and I will skewer you.
Yeah, come on, to look at you. You stink stronger than you strike. Hogger, I'm still standing. Do it proper. Dory, you're a gas.
Rotblood scroll. The marking must have significance.
Ammunition here.
Bagoaz bera. Helburu bat lortu.
Heard a tale not long back. One of the sisters of
Vaya,
Shalia lost her mind, slit a bunch of throats and vanished into the wild. Lot of madness in the world these days. Didn't used to be this bad. He'll get better, Gorrickson. This'll open the door. Well, one of them will, I suppose. Hold the line, mate. Nicely done, Dory. How about the next? Oh, see me now.
Really enough. At last.
Strike for Sigma and Karl Franz!
Venga, ya. Potolo horietako bat.
One less each. The weave calls me back.
Vale, guazen hortik.
Elf, you've looked better. A lot better. Chaos Warrior!
Look at that armored brute. More plate than sense.
Is that all you've got?
Pidita.
Keep them busy. Oh, someone special. Oh, he was one brave bastard.
Ine dira. Eso es honekin.
Rain won't stop them. We're not fighting out dwarf nobles.
Berriro. Baina ipotxa. Inadatu Gruber beste Gruber batengatik histeri izan beharrean mertzenarioa dena. Ni uste dut azteko honena joko honetan izango litzatekela Gruber eskutagatik eta hori. Edo ipotxa, Gerilian, Victor eta Siena Purgat zailak direla pentsatzen dut.
Stop faffing around, we don't have time to waste.
Noski, hau beti nik izan dako esperientziaren bidez.
You know, Carillion, I'm still no clearer as to why you're traipsing around with us. Don't you want to go home?
More than you know.
So why stay? It doesn't add up.
If I answer you, will you cease your glaciate yammering?
All right.
Laugarren pertsona
Very
beharko
well.
dugu.
I made a mistake.
Ez
And
bot
until
bat.
I've made amends, I cannot
Benetan.
go back. Alright?
Oh, not
Vale.
really, but you have my thanks.
A ver,
Every rat man has one eye on moving up a rung or two, and the other on his rivals. So, you're going to Karak Knoll, where Clan Fester has set up base. Sneak in, kill the warlord, and enjoy the carnage as they fight for his crown. It always works. Hopefully, the chaos will interrupt the work on the Skittergate and give us more time.
vale, conforme.
You reckon the Skaven will fall for this again, mates?
Except for the stealthy Lumberfoot part. This seems a sensible plan.
Well, here goes nothing.
Ia norbait sartzen partida hauetan.
Hurry! This way! It still works after all this time.
Stop it, Gruber! Ah!
We're almost there.
A donkey, one eye into the eyes! Ha! Didn't even see it coming!
These vermin come with shields, mayflies.
Bueno, betiko helburua, zenbat eta urrunago heldu esperientzia puntu gaia. Pentsat hori suposatzen dut, Vale, hago.
Nice! He's not rousing from that! Here, so, gutter runner.
Well, clearly have some ground to cover. So, no gawking at the scenery, mayflies. Vermin with shields here.
There's so many of them.
Siis kai nakasta viidä. No es que está una rodilla esa tumba de arriba.
I've seen scores die in a single burst of blood. Kill that fire!
Shield vermin hiding among them.
Ahora se verá.
All right. Fine.
Vale, este personaje.
Aisha's Grace. Healing draft. Healing draft, mayflies?
Come on! You need to reach this bridge!
That's a storm beam. Move, mayflies.
Chucking a bomb! Take some skill missing all of them like that. Hey, do you want me to throw the next one at you? Why not? You might just hit the Tagalaki.
I hear a gas rat.
Help! Storm feed!
A ver.
Ez
duden ulertzen da defentsa mendi manago hiltzaileak nola harrapatuan harrapatu aldi da.
Maybe next time.
This smells of an ambush. Piss on that ratling anyway. A sight to warm my cockles, wizard. Bring Benati. I'm a bit banged up.
Este personaje. Guarda, amico mio.
Here's a healing drop. I've no more arrows. Stop burning me!
Down it is.
Hoover!
What?
Do you not think that That healing should have been seen.
Shield vermin among them!
Not yet. Still pull through, dwarf. Ammunition, take what you need. Ammunition here.
Here, ammunition.
Bueno, ringoneta markatu dut.
Eyes that gleam in the dark. Assassin! Right through!
Get where you cast, wizard!
Handmaster's dead!
Get ready! Regular cave of wonders down here. We've got a way forwards. Hold the line, mates.
There is no escape.
Que lo agarren pertsona bat.
Stay alive, dwarf. Up you get, Martin. You owe me one. I hear a Globadier. Hook that prowling, don't get caught.
I need to heal. Show some patience.
Me bailas.
Poison rat!
Smells a bit odd, but it'll be worth it. Now what have I done?
Da minori zo gaitik. Vale, vamos de ello.
Healing draft over here.
Super chat.
Check your aim, elf.
Healing draft.
There's an assassin close by.
Take it out. Sienna, stop roasting me.
You're only good for rat, a dead one.
Slovenly, finish down. Fight!
Think that'll stop me?
Look at them run! Watch them die!
Agian hor, erratu naiz, nahi zenbide sendatzeko
Finish me if you dare.
You look half dead, we tell you.
ura edo, ba,
A vile brute is enormous.
kasu honetan, ba,
Why am I on fire? Sienna?
Ah, a strangler.
Move quickly, lumberboots, unless you want burning to ash. Thunder runner, have a care.
If you can stop us, you're welcome to bloody try.
Scum! Off me!
madarikatu. A ver. Ez nik ez lortuko lehen ez.
Here, this looks like the door.
Blake Buck's incoming.
If you use that bomb, mind where you're going.
Tightly packed nest, this. Can't wait to see them tear themselves apart. I can't take much more, darlings.
You're no good to us dead, Sienna. That's a plague monk pact. Weapons up! Fight like it's payday! Hey, we tell you.
Stop shooting me, Corellian!
Stand away! Last fire! Aim that flame elsewhere, wizard!
There's a hook rat coming for us. Plague ratties everywhere.
Oh, they...
No.
Horn, Marty the Elf, hitting me! Can't shoot straight! Or can she?
Rise, wizard! Let your fires kindle!
Pues siguiendo anoche y echándose la ría.
No, she's gone. Carillian's gone. Climb the steps. Darlings, give an old woman a moment.
Luego es en hora. El Kerillian anda.
Hold together, Marcus. You'll get through this. See that? Over there.
Hey, nice dog.
We've slain an assassin.
Can't lie, I'm not feeling great.
Heal yourself, Marcus. Now.
That should. Keep going, Raki, you might hit something.
Gunrat needs silence. Up and at them, dwarf.
Oi, Sharon, save your flames for the foe. All right, come on. Keep your eyes open, Dory.
Pestilent zealots.
Oh, you know your way around a big fight, Sharon.
Thank you, Sergeant. Guess all those years as a battle wizard paid off. To me, winds of magic. We'll show that fire how it's done. Take a blow. Out of the way.
Sharon, I'll avenge you. Nicely done, Dory. Sam done.
Bueno, uste dut hemen edu jarraituko. Beste pertsonatxoekin hobeto ikusi dudan ikusita. Uste dut.
Bit of rain today.
Bueno, beto. Horrela arazorik ez. Ez. Bueno.
Stop me if you've heard this one before, but the Rat Men have raised a bloody great bell up on Helmgart's ramparts. Crazy little buggers will worship anything near as I can tell. Problem is, there's no way to know if this is a purely ceremonial lump of bronze or a lodestone for our Grey Seer's magic. We'll have to destroy it, just to be safe. And by we, I mean
You.
you.
Conforme.
I spend my blood willingly.
Come on, Gorrickson. Shame to stop now, surely.
Over here, quickly now.
Anyone fancy a bomb? Connection! Desist!
These stairs are all right for you, perhaps. My legs are shorter, but stronger.
Bueno, va a ser.
Chaos warrior, these are gross. Only hurts when I laugh, and when I'm free. I don't get you need to heal. Bloody hell, we've only got to kill
Who
him.
can I? Still, I must be thrilled, Ken.
That's enough, Carillion. Check that otherworldly aim of yours.
Look out! Fire at!
Stop that wall. The devious elven mind is impossible to decipher. She decides to shoot me now?
There is no escape. Cheer up, Mayflies. Here. You want more dwarf? Keep shooting at me and you'll start one.
Got a pretty job and low.
You think that's a lot? Ha! Lumber boots. This is nothing.
That's close. Double the discipline. Correction! Is this how you honor the ancient treaties between our species?
The chime rouses their madness. We'll face frenzied hordes.
Vile pigs! Look out!
I will not run from them, lumber boots. Gas! Watch out!
Rat ogre!
Oh, feeding! God preserve me.
Get back! Incoming!
Rat ogre!
With this shot I abjure thee!
Something monstrous approaching. Size of it!
Help, is this the time, really? Rat ogre down! Help! Help, I'm gonna get back!
It wasn't a strike, it was a shot.
Like, there's a word for what you're arguing about. It means the meaning of words, sort of, but I don't know the word for the meaning of words. So just get on with the killing, all right? Stop it, Ranger! Fool of a dwarf, you just hit me! All right! Come on! Tell for old Now listen to the word!
Oso ondo. Aurretik erasotu, atzetik erasotu.
Get behind me! Oh! Foul abomination!
Feeding. Gods.
I'm surprised you can stand Withelgi.
That rot hell might test us, Mayfly. Do that again, dwarf, and I will skewer you.
A ver,
Good golly, Dorrington! Kill them all!
no les han manejado.
I reckon you've got fight in you yet, Withelgi.
Osea, ni taldekide bat hile egin da. Oso ondo.
What a sight! Don't the Northern
Oso ondo. Falta zitzaidan. Ez bakatek itzea, taldekide baten
Take it out.
estriketa batek. Minimo batek.
once again been done. We must descend to find the portal.
What? You aim like a goblin.
Bueno, entzatea zigo. Zati horretan jartzea ere batzutan mesedegarria da. Baina, bueno. Mirun dirurogei. Nivelez gora, hori nahi garbi goloz dut. Ian oraino urrengoan. Bueno, txarto.
Raining cats and dogs, eh? To go along with rat men and Northlanders, I suppose.
Ipotxak eman behar du baiezkoa. Bazen. Aurrera beldur gabe.
Those bile trolls ain't natural. Rockblood sorcerers are using
Este es
some
un
kind
nuevo
of
guerrero,
altar to
eh.
churn them out. And it's up to you to disrupt the whole operation with a bloody big bang. Yes, that's right. It'll take black powder to get the job done. I know there's more than enough fireworks laying around in Dreistunkel mine, so use what you find and put an end to this nasty business.
Well, best we get started. You're all looking a little blue. Hey, worse ways to earn a living than this, mates. Trolls are better served in a stew than mutating my sorcery, Dory. We've work to do.
A ver.
Are you sleepy, mayflies? We've work to do.
I'm a doorway. I'll have to do more than that.
A ver.
I fight.
Oso ondo.
You're
Horregatik
barely
ez da
hanging
gustatzen
on one
mapa.
eye.
Orain gertatu denagatik.
Blood everywhere, and another one's gone. Surgeons! Ammunition, take what you need. Armored Northlander! Over here, quickly now!
I hear a gas rat.
Bombs here!
Oh, yeah, for that!
A Scunner warrior coming for us. Done ready.
Agur.
Is that all you've got? You must have more!
Perversion approaches.
Hogger! That's still nothing!
Write them down.
kill.
A ver. Berehala gaituzte. Ikaosi.
Good evening.
A ver. Ay.
Right now, Fort
Vale, hau
Braxton is
desetia
about the
nada.
only thing stopping the enemy rampaging far and wide, but it's under siege and about to fall. I need you to do whatever you can to keep the bastion in Imperial hands. The main approach is likely chock full of packed sworn, but there is a secret entrance upriver. Use it and defend the fort in any way you can.
Vale. Guazen aurrera berriz ere.
Keep this up, and I might not find you contemptible.
And a potion. Fire rat, careful or you'll burn.
Fare thee well, fire rat.
Who said he was? Gas rat.
Kill that fire rat. No one to burn.
Someone kill that crooked straggler.
Goddess, that's a gas move.
Well fought, Sergeant. Get out of its path, Dory. Stop it, Norma. Smash it in the head.
Supplies will not save you, scout.
Not bad for a London.
Receive the judgment of Sigma! Purpose grants strength.
Asko di. A ver si se hace flanco.
For the last!
This shall redouble my zeal.
It hurts. You must not die, dwarf. Our work continues. Funny, I don't think of the Ratmen as being siege canny. Knife in the back or the bowels is more their way. We have to get over there and quickly. As long as those
Cannot hide.
Vale.
over there! Blightstormer! With this shot I am Jordy! Shooting Shaggy off me! That's all you've got? Still here? Just take a swing. You hit like gobbles, the lot of you. That's what we call a barrack far factory. The elf has perished, a Blightstormer. The air thickens with filth. Someone kill that bloody Zillagooni! That storm vermin's mine. Stop it, Ranger. Healing draft if needed. Go over here.
Vale, perfecto.
There's so many of them. Keep doing that, and I'll take you right to glory. Not yet. May I remind you, you are not invincible, dwarf. Beware the poison grenadier. You think pain will stop me? I'm in trouble here. Fire is gone. We've got gas incoming.
Hostia, Kilda. Me llama Userda. Niveles de join chat vale izan zaigu. Vale. Horrengoa zen Krugerrekin. Hori da.
Bit of rain today.
Va berarekin. Edo Kruger edo Victor.
Turns out that the Pactsworn have been kidnapping folk from villages in the Grey Mountains.
Raro.
Right in the shadow of, that's right, Castle Drakenfels. A pumpkin for everyone who guessed right. The powers that be have noted our past interest in the place and wondered if you'd take a look and set things straight.
Batalla erdia. Partida erdia, bueno.
Top of the bloody pieces! Elias! And Globadier! Get back! Incoming! Fire! Lay it! Grab the tank! Watch out! Yeah! Stand up! That poison's meant to kill us, Barney. Kill! A manling, maybe, but... Don't let me die with my boots on. Well, what's that thing? Let none follow who cannot match my zeal! Still need a strong rider! Romac, receive!
Aslında. Ez du jarraitzak erosiko diruarengatik.
Like that gate. And away back.
Spama, bueno, jaramonik ez da guntako lot.
Trust me, I'm a dab hand with a needle.
You don't fear returning to the domain of the great enchanter, One-Eye?
He is nothing but a tale, an excuse for wickedness, rather than a real adversary.
Aye, true enough. I've never heard a story about Drachenfels that matches historical record.
And what if...
I have it, Jory! The statues are guardians!
No, es que ez da asko nabari erdikoa dela, que va.
Praise Sigma, but I thought we'd never manage it.
What a horrible detour we found.
A gnome crate! Hawkins still fresh!
Have you rocks in your eyes, Varden?
I need you back in shape to kill things, Alf.
Ah, vale.
Can you see the heads anywhere, Mayflies?
Buruen asunto hori. Jarri delako. Vale, buruako itxako dola botatzen. A ver, etortzea.
Hear that? The stomping great blood Kazaki!
That rot hell might test us, Mayflies.
Sigma for this, Alf!
We cannot hide!
That way done!
No! Just a scratch!
Come here, was it? Think you can stop us? Someone give me a bloody try! You stink stronger than you try! I test my drum reel! Go for it! Right, mate. There's so many of them! That's enough for the good!
Caca. Agian hilko naiz, baina bat dutxe du jarrit.
Scunner leeches no more!
I can do this all day! I'm losing my patience! Remember your training, mate. Only hurts when I laugh, not when I breathe.
You're sorely wounded, Gruber.
Lehenengo garbitu gero etorri nebila.
Revolting. Could be worse.
Au. PC. Bueno, y como me preguntas en castellano, y aunque este directo sea en euskera, yo juego a PC, o sea, no se puede hacer un crossplay. Y estoy con el objetivo de llegar al nivel 35 con 200 personas.
For Kruger's sake, I do hope that Sigmar is real. I won't die like this.
Jerónimo.
Lumber pits, a little help.
The elf's down! This is our moment! Make it pay!
Venga. Ahora, Almighty. Oi, 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 oi. Ahora, Almighty. Vale. Jain izango da gure anfitroia kasu honetan. Moldatzen garen.
We're not fighting Altdorf nobles.
Guazen urrengo maparen bila. A ver. Vale. A ver, nora guazen orain.
Every rat man has one eye on moving up a rung or two, and the other on his rivals. So, you're going to Karak Nor, where Clan Fester has set up base. Sneak in, kill the warlord, and enjoy the carnage as they fight for his crown. It always works. Hopefully, the chaos will interrupt the work on the Skittergate and give us more time.
Beretonia Red y Pocha. Vale.
Tricking Skaven. Easier than fooling a dwarf, you'll see.
It is a good plan. When we defeated the Grey Seer in Ubersreich, Clan Fester turned on itself and scattered to the winds.
F. Big F. Kruger. Marcus Kruger. O Kruger. Okay.
A fine day, as long as you avert your eyes from Helmgard.
Hala. Aurrera. Vale. A ver. Hija.
It occurs to me that our
Salt
realms
Fire's
have
not
common
ready.
cause.
If
now.
he's having another of his personal chats with Sigmar, our good... Now, there's a sorcerer lord creating quite a hullabaloo down in what's
Nordgle.
left of Helmgard. Turns out it's
Fuck
Burble
you,
Spew
Nordgle.
Hail Scourge, the same fat bastard who ordered the theft of my book collection in Ubersreich, remember? Alicia says he's conjuring up a city-sized plague mist which will make the rot blood stronger and kill any decent folk. So, ride the guildsman's lift into the centre
Ordua.
and just
Right.
stove his bloody head in. No one steals from me.
Beste pertsona bat, vale. Venga. Pam 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 pan 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 pam 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 pa 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 pam pa pam. Ah. Gri. Vale. Orain, bai.
This weave you speak of with such reverence, do you worship it as divine?
Of course not.
I am relieved to hear it.
The weave transcends the divine. Your Sigmar serves it, as do we all.
Rest is for later. Slaves
That trickery is no match for us.
Agur.
You were lucky to hit him at all, London Boots.
Shields
Doing
incoming!
shot! Coming in!
Vale.
Ratling, stay out of its sight.
Venga ya.
Cover behind your shield, Ratman.
Venga ya.
Against me, that's nothing.
War funding.
What was it we needed? A guildsman's lift.
Come on. Not now, witch. She's not troll.
Látigo. A ver.
I won't die like this.
That took something out of the troll. Let's finish him. Dying? No, I will overcome these savages. I will.
Does it hurt one of them?
Receive the judgment of Wilma.
Bloody try.
Oh.
Good work, Baron. With that troll of me.
Oh, have they nothing larger? Maybe a giant?
Don't say such things, even in jest. Not as things are.
Vale, retaguardia con tus.
Ocean cash.
An apothecary's wares, ours for the taking.
Found bombs.
Perhaps the good folk of Helmgard should have built on the plains. No need for lifting platforms then.
There are greater
A la
joys
vera.
of life than comfort, wagonasses. Helmgard overlooks
Badabun
the
and
vital
dia.
pass.
Well, you can't do much defending if you're out of puff from marching up and down hills.
The righteous always find a way.
Taste my blood.
I'm ready for you, shield rat.
Oh, foul abomination!
A warrior rat.
Vale.
Helmgard's canals, darlings. Don't fall in.
There's potions here. More potions. Potions. Look, potions.
Leech! I hear it.
Yeah, another light leech!
There is no sense battering that armor. Hit the head. One less leech.
Not as sneaky as you
Right.
believe, runner.
I walk with Sigma!
We need a crossing point. Fire and water don't mix. Keep searching. Watch out, plague monks.
By Sigma! 'Tis as if some monstrous claws have scooped out Helmgard's heart!
Acaba tú con Aute. A vos.
Impressive!
Poison rat. Find it. Kill it. We're all good, mates. My rat's dead.
A ver.
Nicely done, Marcus. Look at these.
Sienna, watch your blade.
Poison rat!
Oh, such vileness.
Vale.
Bad enough sober.
Goazen aurrera.
No, great. Barking's still fresh.
Tries perfect.
A ver. Hartu liburua.
Let's hope nothing nasty comes out of Axbite Pass. Not sure Helmgart's any good
Aye.
for stopping it. Gunrat sneaking around.
A ver.
Get out of the way, gun team! The gunner's dead!
What?
Gunner, don't make a juicy target for the flames. I've had worse than this. Skaven slaver!
Corner camping.
Help, is this the time, really?
A dead strangler. You want to dance?
Vale.
There's always bloody more of them in there. Against you, now watch this place!
I am lost.
A ver. Bueno. What? What? Ya.
Now that's
Bluebadier!
Cloverdale.
Gas rat's dead. Fare thee well, fire rat.
Strangler rat!
Vale.
Save me from the Pale Queen. Save me.
Incoming! Gas rat's dead! Brilliant! Brilliant! She's gone!
Vale, con tus... A ver, revisemos. Te voy a contestar porque me has preguntado en castellano, aunque el directo sea en...
Bloody black rat! Just as
Pues he matado bastantes ratas en nombre de...
Let me tend
Sí,
to
de Grug, no sé qué. Intento hacer las cosas de la mejor manera posible. Y por cierto, ya que estamos hablando en castellano ya, para aclarar y así, a ver si un día,
Shall we double my skill?
igual en diciembre así, jugar los dos juntos. Porque enseguida empieza exámenes, entonces a partir del lunes va a empezar a apoyar.
The wind dies at him!
hook rat! Be close! Hook rat! Leap
Vale, Jerónimo.
Meat!
A ver,
The sorcerer commands the vortex. Kill him!
a ver.
I am not your foe, witch. Not yet.
Sweet tall, a fire rat! Yeah! Dead flame spouter!
Vale. Sen verá. A ver. Ahora. A ver.
You're
bueno.
credits to your regiment. It's all service, sir. We all crack heads in the same call. Got to run us down.
A ver.
I have failed you.
You're looking well, Saltfire.
The Packmaster is slain.
Vale, guaten.
Run right, get clear. Sigma, bless this shot. Well, this is horrible. Be glad when we put a stop to it. Frothing Northlander. Hanging by a thread here.
My ammunition is spent.
Yeah, that rattling's done for.
I feel the dark throats reciting me.
You're barely hanging on one eye.
Vale. A ver.
You're more bloodless than usual, one eye.
Right on! Call them up! Smash them in!
Right.
Bloody hell, Thierry, you're stalking my
Soma chingun.
That's a hook rat! Lynch Sasana! Look out, Strangler! Dog saucer is out of it!
Vale.
I hear a Globadier!
Don't know what the fuss is about this sorcerer. Swamp water the brains, all of them.
Well, Sienna, you'll have to set it boiling, will you not?
Oh, I'll manage something artistic.
Lortig
Never fear.
Ha! Well, I'm certainly looking forward to
yeah.
it.
Don't let me die with my boots on!
You've looked better, Kruber.
Oh! Think you're clever, do you?
Holy justice!
A ver.
We've seen worse than this! Hang on!
Backstabber!
Die now! Prove me right, Wagoner!
A ver.
Just an observation, but One Eye's about to perish.
Thanks, elf.
Vale.
This ain't done, mates. Keep 'em peeled.
You shall not die, Kruber! I forbid it!
Chaos Warrior in sight!
A ver. Voy a hacer una burrera.
A rot helm approaches. The fast blow is mine.
stronger together. Come back.
Hala.
Hell's for you. Give them hell. Come on to bloody pieces.
A ver.
Here, that's a walk by thrower. Yeah, that
Bye,
bloody
bye. Vale, agur. Vale. Vale. Este es el que yo hago. Bueno. Va a ser una aurrera. Agur, 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 maiti. Ah. Ala.
Good day. And so far,
A ver.
it actually is.
Go, 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 go. Bueno. Listo.
The
Víctor.
shadow magic protecting us works better
Joda,
at night,
listo.
apparently.
Es. Víctor de Marcus. Aquí hanno beto Víctor daukagulako
Back to the illusory world of
Hogeita
Uber's
hamabosgarren
right you
nivelera
go.
heltzeko.
It seems that there is a piece of the puzzle hiding out in the Garden of Moor. Well, I say hiding out. I doubt it got there without a little help. Have a little bit of a look around. Turn over a few stones, maybe a few graves. Oh, and find the source of the poison, too. For old times' sake.
Ah, Pestilence, I hate you with all my heart. What? Johnson. Hola, señor Thompson. Vale. A ver. Pum 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 pum. Parecen los tambores de Jumanji. A ver.
Join us.
No, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. Vale, perfecto. Egunen baten helduko naiz. Gri. Wow. A ver. Venga. Venga. Johansson, John Johnson, Son. A ver. Venga. Cri. A ver. Irtengo naiz eta sartuko naiz berriro. A ver. Vale. Zuzeneko gauza, cosas del directo. Vale. Bla 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 bla. Vale, ok. Mackey. Okidoki. Big. A la Aurrera Guerrero.
Shadow magic protecting us works better at night, apparently.
A ver. Y ahora ahí. Vale. ¡Hija!
Everyone's ready except you, Carillion. Most of us don't have an eternity to spend dragging their heels, you know?
Vale, Mr. Garband. Mark the Necromancer Wolver. Ok. A ver, Bardin. Siena. Uy. Siena Marcus. A ver.
What weighs several tons, draws rat men like flies, and sounds awful. If you just answered, "Oh no, not another bloody bell," then you win a pumpkin, you lucky bleeder. Don't eat it all at once, because you'll need provisions on your way to destroying the wretched thing. We don't actually know if that lump they've raised in Elmgart is a real screaming bell, but better safe than sorry.
Vale.
Do not take this endeavor lightly. So far, we are lucky to have been spared the sorcerer's chimes of a screaming bell.
I don't see why, but the Ratmen do love their bells. That's why I love cracking them.
Oh, you're yammer, Lumbercoots. It's enough to make you long for someone's death. Could be yours, or could be mine.
Agua.
Shield, vermin!
Vale.
Chisholm, please stop shooting me.
Listen, Leech.
Give a good aim.
Dead!
Vale.
And damn well done!
Leech! Slay it swiftly!
That's a Blight Stormer.
Here, ammunition.
Wind versus flame.
Warpstone
No
shot
contest.
coming in.
Yo más chingón.
Ha! It's to be numbers against skill again. That's insolence.
That's all?
We're out of luck. That's a storm tree. Stop shooting me, Corellia! Ocean!
Clear the path to the Chaos Warrior! I'm in...
Au.
A sonic storm fiend. This shield will hold firm, I promise.
You'll see. We all have a purpose here. Yes?
Looks like we lost one eye.
Ala.
Hack that blight tower down before his wind kills us all!
Yo! That's fine, so that's how it is. Reckon I'm done for.
Light Leech. For Lillian.
Joder. Bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena, uste dut hau hemen utziko dugula, eta horrengoan gehiago hau